Tell you what, if I take my clothes off,
Yeah?
I'd probably weigh less than 180.
Oh, what do you have on? Oh my, look at your hair.
What's your shoes? No matter.
Doesn't matter. You want to eat too? Then you need to pick that up and go put it back over on the freezer. Okay? What?
Did you not hear her? Shit!
No, you can hold it. Eat your pizza. Yeah, it's pizza. Breakfast pizza. Careful. Sit down. That's why we don't stand in chairs. Nope. At the table. Is it yummy? Oh, is it hot?
By a group of 6 or 7 predators. I'm very wary of the unpredictable nature of wild animals, especially ones that aren't afraid of me. You get this sense that they're definitely checking you out. They're checking me out, and I have to submit to it. But they're trying to see if I'm, well, maybe food, but also they want to see if I'm a threat. And I think if they see me as a threat, that is bad news for me. There's no way I can swim away from them quicker than they can swim. There's no way I can resist them either. These are solid. They're big, they're solid. I get the feeling it's very much on their terms. And I'm very much out of place when I'm in their murky world. Their hyper-flexible necks and rotating flippers enable them to pursue prey amongst the submerged tree trunks of the flooded forest. Their ability to communicate with each other lets them coordinate attacks on prey. And echolocation means they can hone in on objects as small as a pin in murky water, even at night. They would have no problem negotiating a boat full of passengers as it sank beneath the surface.
Nope.
So what happened on that night?
What are you eating?
Were dolphins in any way involved in the carnage?
What are you eating?
Well, first of all,
what is this?
were they there? Were they at the scene?
No.
That time in particular,
No, you can't hold it. Ooh, your hands are cold. Say, excuse you, Daddy.
Stay in there. Do nasty, right?
Yeah, it's yucky out there. And my floor feels gross. Daddy's getting ready to cook. Don't touch. Do you want to get in trouble? Daddy's already told you no. I don't want him to whoop your butt. Yeah. Leave it alone. No.
No, Mom.